class. I am your class teacher. So today we will going to learn about the computer and its parts. Like various things, and human body has a various parts and the functions of all the organs. If we see that human's body, there is a various parts of the organs that perform accordingly. And in the vehicle, if you see like cars and scooters and bikes and trains, all the vehicles and all the objects all around the world, they have the specific parts inside their body. Either that's a human being, or it's a vehicle like car, scooter, train, aeroplane, or it's a television or a computer. So today we will going to learn about the parts of the computer and the use of its parts. So first we will going to learn about the screen of the computer. So the screen of the computer is known as monitor. So the work of the monitor is to show the data and the information that we want to see. The computer shows on the screen, which is known as the monitor. Similarly, if we talk about the keyboard has a lot of various buttons written all the alphabets, all the symbols, and from 1 to 9 along with 0, you can see the buttons in the keyboard. Whatever we want to write, example if we are writing a formal letter or a friendly letter, or example if we are watching any kind of a video in YouTube, so we have to use the keyboard button to type whatever we want to see in the monitor of the computer. So for that reason we have to use the computer keyboard to type various things that we want to see in the computer monitor. So similarly we will going to know about the CPU. Now what is CPU? Like I am giving you the example of a human body. Like our human body is controlled with the help of the brain. So similarly we can say that the brain is the headquarter of our body. If the brain doesn't work, so our body is like a no use. We cannot move from one place to another, we cannot run, we cannot smile, we cannot cry, we cannot feel anything. So similarly, the CPU is the brain of the computer. If the CPU doesn't work, there is no use of a computer. It's like a box. It's a useless box. So CPU is the brain of the computer. Without CPU, the computer is useless. Now we will come to the mouse. Now what is mouse? This looks like an animal mouse, but it's a computer mouse, which we use to remove the cursor in the screen. When we use the computer, we want to select any individual app, or you can say any individual game you want to get into. So we have to go into that particular app. Now how we will go into that particular app? We have to use the mouse to run around the cursor, and to run around the cursor into that particular app we want to open. Now we have known about the monitor, we have known about the keyboard, CPU, the mouse. Now we will know about the speaker. Now what is speaker? Like a lot of you may be answering like what is speaker. When we go in the computer class, we see computer, we see keyboard, we see mouse, we see CPU. But what is the work of a speaker? Now if for an example we are presenting a presentation in front of the class, or if we are working in an office, we are presenting any specific kind of a project in front of all the judges in the office, or in the classroom, if the teacher is teaching any individual subject, so we have to show the presentation of any individual project. So speaker helps for the sound.